Namaste. We'll continue with Sloka number 39 in chapter 2. Esha te bihita sāṅkhye buddhir-yoge tv-imāṁ śṛṛnu buddhyā yukto yayā pārtha karma-bandhaṁ prahāsyasi. Esha te abhihita sāṅkhye buddhir-yoge tv-imāṁ śṛṛnu buddhyā yukto yayā pārtha karma-bandhaṁ prahāsyasi. The previous sloka, Bhagavan had told the crux of karma yoga, sukha dukkhe same kritva. When there is happiness or sorrow, and in times of profit or loss, or victory or defeat, you do your karma without any attachment, raga dvesha vivarjita. So without any attachment or aversion, you do your karma. We saw that Bhagavan had told karma yoga as a sadhana to develop the qualification required for Atmajnanam. Usually, Shastras mention 4 qualifications to obtain Jnanam. What are they? Vivekam, Vairagyam, Kshamadishatka Sampatti, Mumukshutvam. Vivekam, Vivichya Janati, able to discriminate. It's not the discrimination we talk about today in the world. Discrimination is basically critical analysis and understanding what is permanent and impermanent. Vairagyam is viraga bhavaha, that is without any attachment or aversion. Shamadishatka Sampatti, 6-fold treasures. Shamaha, which is control of the mind, Damaha, which is control of the senses, Uparama is turning inwards and taking our senses away from their objects, Titiksha, putting forth with what destiny throws upon us. It is our own karma which is giving results now, so we understand and accept it. Shraddha is faith in Guru and Shastra Vakyam. Finally, Samadhanam, which is tranquility of mind. And finally, Mumukshutvam, desire to get liberated. So the 4 sadhana chatushtayam is Vivekam, Vairagyam, Kshamadishatka Sampatti and Mumukshutvam. So these 4 qualifications we do have in some small amounts, and that's why we are listening to the Shastras. But for them to grow more, Karma Yoga is mentioned by Bhagavan here. Now let us look at the sloka. Esha te abhihita. Abhihita, what has been told. Bhagavan had told the Atmajnanam before. Sāṅkhye. Sāṅkhye is Atmajnanam or Atmatattvam. Buddhir-yoge tv-imāṁ śṛṛnu. Here yoge means karma yoga. So now I am going to tell you about karma yoga. Śṛṛnu means listen. Buddhyā yukto yayā pārtha, one who does karma with this attitude, karma-bandhaṁ prahāsyasi, karma does not bind him. There is a Sanskrit vakyam which goes like this: avashyameva bhoktavyam kritam karma shubhā-shubham na bhuktam shriyate karma kalpakoti shatairapi. So one who does a karma, avashyameva bhoktavyam. So he has to experience the result of the karma, be it good or bad. Swami Vivekananda often says, good, good, bad, bad, and none escapes the law. So whatever karma has been done, for sure you need to experience the result. Na bhuktam, unless it is experienced, the karma does not go away. Even if it takes crores of kalpas, it still will wait to give its result. A karma which is done with agentship, saying that I do this for this reason, binds us. Karmana badhyate chantuhu. So here Bhagavan gives a sadhana using karma to remove the bondage of karma. Let us look at a story of sage Vyasa. Vyasa was once waiting on the banks of river Yamuna, and the river was flooded. He was waiting there, and a couple of milkmaids arrived there. They waited for some time, nothing happened, and now Vyasa was hungry. So he asked the milkmaids for some milk. The milkmaids offered him milk, butter, etc., and sage Vyasa had everything. Time passed on and the river never seemed to become calm. So the milkmaids requested Sage Vyasa to do something about it. And Sage Vyasa told the river, "If I have not eaten anything, then please become calm." That instant, River Yamuna became calm. The milkmaids were astonished. It is they who gave him everything to eat and they saw him eating. So they asked him, "Rishi, we saw you eating." And that instant, Rishi Vyasa explained, "I am Atma and I am actionless," meaning that I do not do any action. I am not this body nor the mind. So I am different from the body and mind. Action done without agentship. Agentship meaning that I do something for some gain does not bond us or bind us. We'll continue again with the next sloka. Dhanyavadaha.